What's up, barbecue lovers? We've got something special for those of you that own an Ironwood 885, and it's our tactical stainless folding front shelf. Made right here in the USA, it's the perfect upgrade to give you more workspace and the custom options you need to elevate your grilling game. Now let's check it out. This shelf is made from 304 heavy-duty stainless steel, and it's built to handle whatever you throw at it. At nearly 20% larger than your stock upper rack, it gives you way more room to prep and organize. Now what really makes this shelf unique is the ability to customize it. You can attach storage trays on one or both sides, each with a beer cup holder, because let's face it, grilling and chilling go hand in hand. Or go for the utensil hangers to keep your tools organized. How about a paper towel or foil holder with an easy tear feature? Super handy when you're cooking up a storm. And don't worry about installation, it takes about 5 minutes. Just bolt it on using the existing mounts, no need for any cutting or drilling. So if you want to take your Traeger Ironwood 885 to the next level with this American-made tactical front shelf, then visit pimpmygrill.com or click the link below to order yours today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more grill mods. Thanks for watching and happy grilling.